I want to talk to you a little bit today about mass timber, wildfire, and land management. For those of you who don't know or haven't watched in previous videos or seen other places in the internet about mass timber, which includes cross-laminated timber, glulam beams, glue-laminated timber, and a variety of other products out there, which essentially takes traditional lumber, uses an eco-friendly adhesive to bond these into large panels or beams for use in construction, from residential all the way up to commercial, and even there are some places in the world where they're already doing high-rises. In Vienna, for instance, the HoHo project is already 24 stories tall. Very interesting stuff. But here in the United States, we've got a really bad fuel situation out in our national forests. What do I mean when I talk about fuel? Fuel is an overabundance of trees. In particular, small trees, small diameter trees that are probably in the neighborhood of 30 to 80 years old, and they're intermixed with large trees. So these trees might be anywhere from 100 to 150 years old. Some may even be older than that. But in order to save those older trees, we're going to have to remove that fuel, because what happens is the fire comes into there, or we have a lightning strike, or it's man-made, or what have you. When it's hot, all of a sudden that fire is able to really take off through that dry fuel. And those trees in the summertime, actually at any time, especially fir, they burn very rapidly. So they will burn, and if they're tall enough to get into the canopy of those older trees, we have a stand replacement fire where everything burns. We can turn the tide on that. We can leave the biggest and best trees out there, and we can thin the small and medium-sized trees, and where appropriate, take some of the larger trees. But technology has improved so much in the sawmilling industry that really there isn't a whole lot of really big trees being coveted out there for the marketplace. We're using trees that are 4.5 inches, maybe up to 12 or 13 inches, and then there are some mills that take up to like a 24 or larger tree. But that's becoming the exception, not the rule. I would say the rule is that the most volume that's moving around, and if you see them on trucks, you'd notice this, they're probably in that 8 to 14 inch range in terms of the size of the actual log, which means that we're not going after the big old growth timber in the past. But what that does is it creates 2x4s, 2x6, 2x8, 2x10, and 2x12s that can be used for engineered wood products like cross-laminated timber, glulam beams, and glue-laminated timber. So what does that have to do with forest fires and fuel management and forest management? Well, we can add value to the forest by going out there and doing these forest restoration activities where we get the forest into a natural spacing to get in what we call the natural range of variability. So when a fire starts, it operates like it would have a century ago. So we can take those small and medium-sized trees, turn them into traditional building products, and then add more value to them by using them for floor systems, walls, beams, and other things that give us more value than just making a regular 2x4 or a 2x6. So what that may do is allow us to go into some of these federal forests, right-size the sawmills that need to be set up to handle those smaller sized trees, and then build a value-added industry like what we're doing at Vaughan Timbers, where we can utilize those products, glue them together, and build these eco-friendly buildings. And I think that there's some really incredible opportunities there. We can bridge the urban-rural divide, so a lot of the people in the urban centers can now learn about the way people are managing the forests in rural communities that benefit them and the economy and the environment all at the same time. So we think the value added of mass timber, that if attached to good forest restoration activity on our federal lands, could have a profound impact, not only in our building community, but we could reduce the fuels, which will reduce the fire danger, which will reduce the smoke and the pollution. That's a really big benefit. And where we do manage our forests and we are able to thin those forests out, those forests are going to survive. They're going to keep providing very beneficial photosynthesis by taking carbon dioxide from the air, turning it into oxygen. We need more forests to do that, more than ever, with all the smoke and all the fires in our communities out west and in Canada. So that's my perspective on that. We'll show you more as Vaughan Timbers grows. We're in construction right now and should be producing products for the mass timber industry in the second quarter of 2019. So we'll share more as we go. Thank you for watching.